Shut the front door.
Yeah, you just missed it.
It was like a huge spider on you.
At least the humor's away from me now.
Come on. Sorry, my son. I'm a 5-year-old. I know he looks like he's 19, but he's 5. Are you ready to go?
Let's go. He's a giant. Hey, your
Tommy.
shoe is backwards.
Tommy, are you Team Kristen or Team Cameron? Tommy Barrett.
You got a video right now?
No.
No, ask him again.
Tommy Barrett. Are you?
Kristen.
Oh, I know what you mumbled. I know what you mumbled.
Are you Team Barrett? Tommy, are you Team Cameron or Team Kristen?
Watch what you say.
Come on.
Watch what you say.
Don't watch what you say. Tell the truth.
Tom Barrett.
The truth will set you free.
Tom Barrett. Are you Team Kristen or Team Cameron? All right.
No, he said he's going to be on his team if you take off his shirt. You're not on my team. I don't want Alright, we're out. On your own.
Go get him, Cam. Cam, that's your boat.
Turn that shit off. Press.